I think somebody called it in.
Yep, someone did. The flare was up.
Friendly recon online.
Oh, they know I'm here.
Who does?
Friendly recon online. Oh wait, that was you.
Friendly, yeah. There's nobody around.
That's weird. Do they die before they get in? I guess they died before they were managed to get in. Do you have a gas mask?
Yeah.
Sentry deployed.
Oh. I do.
There's no bots or anything either. Sentry shot at something.
Did you just take my helicopter?
Yeah?
Sure did.
So, yep, we sure did. Where was he?
Off to the left there somewhere.
Man, he ran off really far away to not be picked up on the radar. Right?
Yeah.
Like,
I even seen with the drone. Everywhere I picked up with the drone was like there was like 30 fucking pings, so I was like, that's not them. Like,
that's a lot of bots.
yeah, and if it is, well, they're gonna have a hard time getting here anyway.
Did you just take my helicopter?